Hi, I'm Bruce Giffen. I manage Illinois Rural Electric Co-op. I wanted to talk a little bit about the purchase power line on your monthly statement. It's made up of a lot of things. This is a fairly representative breakdown of the purchase power bill on a kilowatt hour basis. There's some monthly variation, but there's not a whole lot. On the bill that we get, there are two demand charges that total 3.4 cents a kilowatt hour. The demand charges are what pays for owning a power plant and/or the power plant component of electricity that's purchased on the wholesale market. People are always surprised that the energy itself is only 2.5 cents out of the total, but it's really a relatively small portion. Transmission comes to 1.2 cents a kilowatt hour. That's for the big lines that bring power to the substation before it hits our distribution lines. The substations themselves cost 0.3 cents a kilowatt hour. And then there's something that we now call system energy. It takes energy to move electricity through the lines. And in a typical month, that will be 0.6 cents a kilowatt hour. In the old days, we used to call that line company use, lost and unaccounted for. But in fact, it's not lost and it's not unaccounted for. It's the energy that the system requires. Sometimes there will be a miscellaneous credit on our power bill, and in this month there was a credit that totaled $27,000 or came out to 0.2 cents a kilowatt hour, and we refund that to you when we get a credit. In fact, in 2012, our supplier lowered our costs by $698,000, and we lowered the purchase power costs to you by that same amount. So you add all those things up, and the total comes to the 7.8 or about 8 cents a kilowatt hour that you typically see on your monthly statement. I hope that's helpful for you. If you want to talk about it more, please give me a call at 217-243-8701 or write to me at giffen@ecoop.com. Thanks.